Hi, welcome to the studio where I will show you I will tell you what is a sales and inventory management system and how you can set it up on Shopify. So for that, log in into your Shopify store and then go to your Shopify admin page. And after that, from the left menu bar, click on the products button. And now after that, click on the add products button. Click on the all products button. After that, select the product and then start setting accordingly. The variant, size, quantity, and then click on the save button. After that, add color and quantity according to your preferences. And now click on the inventory button and set the inventory option accordingly. So that's how you can set up sales and inventory management system in your Shopify store. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.